What's up, everybody? I am Chris Williams. I'm actually here to represent Driven Dental Marketing, and I have a very unique perspective to share with you guys. Like, they asked me to come up here and pitch the company and get you guys to buy in, right? But even when I talk to my doctors, I don't sell. But what I do is what I do is I like to ask the doctors, what exactly is it that you're wanting to do? When I ask that question, it really changes the dynamic, because I don't come on to a call talking to doctors about we're a marketing company and we do all the things that marketing companies obviously do. We run ads and we attract leads, but tons of marketing companies do that. Why would I tell you about that? What I do like to talk about, though, is what you get when you get our company. And so I'm going to give you my perspective, because I've been with Driven for maybe half a year now. And any company or any situation I've ever come to, I approach it in a very unique fashion. So I come to it like an infant child, where I'm so curious. Who are you? What is it that you do, and what do you do well? And so I've been observing our company, and I'm going to share with you things that you don't get to see from a sales pitch. The name of our company is Driven, which means that you're relentlessly compelled to achieve a goal. Wouldn't you want somebody who's driven to provide you your goal? And so I get to see the drive of all of the people behind the scenes. That's not just a marketing company, it's a family of people that you get that are passionate about achieving that goal for you. So when I ask doctors that question, when I say, what is it that you want? And they say, I want more implants. Okay, that's obvious. We're talking on the phone right now, and that's what we do. But what is that gonna do for you? What is that gonna do for your life? And tell me what your goals are. So I get doctors to say things like, well, I'm actually an associate dentist, and I handle all of our implants, and I wanna open my own practice. See, that's very different. I can now talk to them about how we can make that happen for them. And on a high level, what it is that we do is we run ads, we attract your ideal leads, and we attach a virtual patient advocate to that lead, and we have that virtual patient advocate build a relationship, educate them, and get them pre-financed. So no longer do you have patients that come into your practice and you're not really sure about what they know and what they don't know. They're educated. And then, what is their financial capacity? Can they handle, or can they actually get this treatment done? So I have this, we deliver patients directly to you with cash in hand or pre-financed. That's amazing. They're already been educated. And so let me tell you a little bit more about who I am. Also, I'm a hygienist, if you didn't know. I know I don't look like a hygienist. And I love that, because I get to surprise people. I always ask people, what do you think I do? Sometimes I get personal trainer, and I'm like, nah, I haven't been in the gym in a while. Security, maybe you're a cop. Nope, I'm a dental hygienist. And they're like, what? You're a hygienist? Yeah. And a military veteran, so I do have that, that kind of persona a little bit. But as a hygienist, I was a high-producing hygienist in my company. And the reason why I was high-producing was because I didn't sell. I talked to my patients, I connected with them, I educated them. And I educated them so well that it was literally a high five to the doctor and a quick whisper, hey, talk to them about this, and that, because I've already educated on that. And she comes in and just says, hey, Chris talked to you about these things, and I agree. It's done. It's easy. I'm literally bringing her to the finish line, and all she has to do is step into it. And so that's what we do at Driven. We connect with the patients, we educate them, we connect to their stories. And I'm gonna tell you something else cool that I get to see. I get to be on these calls, or we meet with our virtual patient advocates every week, and we celebrate the wins that we get for our doctors. These are not things that the doctors get to see. They don't get to see these girls really understand the patients in their practice and are really compelled by the goal to deliver these patients to your practice and make it feel seamless. So if you are truly wanting to have more implant patients in your practice, That's what we do. And we do it at a high level, and we do it with passion. And most of us are, on our team, we are marketing experts and we're dental professionals, so we understand the industry. We're not just a marketing company. And when you come on, you're not just a client. You're a part of the Driven family. And I always make sure I put that in my intro. Welcome to the Driven family, so that they know you're not just a client. We're not just trying to get you to pay. We want family that fits into our model, and we fit into yours, and your goals become ours. And we are relentless when it comes to achieving the goal that you've set. I'm Chris, and that's all I have.